In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Webull Desktop. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the left-hand side and click on Custom, or if you want to go ahead and start with paper trading, you could click on paper trading, and you're going to be basically taken to the same site, to the same page, which looks like this. Okay, so it's up to you. I'm going to do this in paper trading, and here you can then just click on blank paper layout, which will allow you for maximum customization, because if you click on customized up top, you'll be able to see there's going to be the blank paper layout option. So the best thing to optimize and to customize is of course a blank paper, so let's do it. Now here you can then go ahead and click at the very top right here where you can basically see all the widgets, and then you have your quote, your paper, stocks, general, and market widgets, so we can just customize it however you want. So let's say I want to drag and drop a chart here, so we can just basically click on it and it's going to pop up, and then you can just customize it, make it as big as you want. And then here, for example, let's just do time and sales as well. It's going to pop up here on the right hand side. You can set wherever you want to have it. And then the order book, I want the order book as well, but I want it down here at the bottom. I can just fully put it in here. It's going to snap into place and it's going to allow me to actually see it. Here, let's also add something else up here. So for example, classic trade, I can click on that. It's going to pop up. Let's say I want the trading window over here. And then next to it, I also want the order entry, which I'm going to put over here on the right hand side. So you kind of get the point. I'm already customizing this, but it's of course up to you whatever you want to achieve with this. And you can customize it however you want by using these widgets up top, and then just selecting different tabs here that have different widgets. You can then click and of course get onto your screen. If you don't like any of these, you can just go ahead and click on the folder tab, which is going to fold it or expand it over here, or you could just go ahead and of course add multiple charts, for example, which will allow you to basically put them like on top of each other like this, as you can see, and it's going to pop in. So yeah, there's a bunch of different things you can do here, and if you don't like it and you want to start over, you can just click on this plus tab, new layout, click on the blank paper layout and start from the beginning. So that's how to achieve it, that's how to customize. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.